Looking for the perfect way to organize and carry your tools? In this video, we're breaking down the best tool bags on the market to help you find the right fit for your gear, budget, and job site need. Let's take a look at one of the best value tool bags out there. The DeWalt 16-inch Tradesman's tool bag comes in at a solid price point while delivering serious utility. With a pop-open design and a roomy main compartment, this bag makes grabbing your tools quick and easy. It's built tough with heavy-duty polyfabric and features 33 pockets, enough organization for just about any setup. We especially like the flap-covered pocket with hook and loop closure for stashing smaller parts. Rubber feet on the base protect it from rough surfaces, and the adjustable shoulder strap makes carrying it around a breeze. While it doesn't reinvent the tool bag, it checks all the boxes and holds up well to daily use. Whether you're heading to a job site or organizing your garage setup, this is a great pick for anyone needing a reliable, rugged tool bag without breaking the bank. Carhartt takes our top pick for rugged portability with a design that blends job site toughness and thoughtful organization. Built from heavyweight 1200 denier fabric with water-repellent rain defender coating, this 14-inch tool bag stands up to harsh environments without flinching. You get 25 total pockets, including 15 on the outside and 10 on the inside, and a metal frame that keeps the main compartment open for easy access, unlike softer bags that cave in on themselves. What really sets it apart, though, is the Duravax abrasion-resistant base. It adds serious durability where it matters most. Despite its compact footprint, it easily fits a cordless drill and essentials for everyday tasks. At $69.99, it's not the cheapest option out there, but the materials and construction justify every penny. For tradespeople and serious DIYers who want something a step above typical utility bags without going overboard, this is a solid, work-ready investment that feels built to last. Not everyone needs a full-size tool bag packed with compartments and rigid frames. Sometimes simple and compact wins, and that's where the Bucket Boss tool roll steps in. Built from heavyweight duckware canvas, this roll keeps your tools protected and absorbs oil to reduce mess. It lays out flat at 26 inches wide, offering 22 pockets and 17 elastic loops, plus a few hook and loop pouches for small parts. The metal tools stay snug, and once you're done, just roll it up and secure it with the quick release buckle. The web handle makes it easy to grab and go. Bucket Boss made some smart design choices here. Lightweight, no frills, and just enough room for a solid hand tool setup. However, it's worth noting that larger or bulkier items won't fit, and there's no built-in structure to help it stand. Still, for just under $20, it's a compact, rugged way to keep your go-to tools organized and ready. To get the most out of your mobile tool setup, you need organization, durability, and fast access to everything you carry. No other backpack balanced all three as well as the DeWalt 57 pocket-lighted tool backpack. With 48 interior and 9 exterior pockets, it stores everything from hand tools to power drills without feeling cluttered. What really makes it stand out, though, is the built-in LED light with 3 brightness levels. Whether you're working in a dim garage or trying to find a screwdriver before sunrise, this light helps you stay efficient. A couple of features might not be for everyone. The synthetic fabric isn't water resistant, so you'll want to be cautious in wet conditions. And while the backpack is built tough, fully loaded it gets heavy fast. Still, for $121, it's a solid choice if you're tired of digging through tool bags in the dark and want pro-level organization on your back. Whether you're working out of a garage or on the go, the Bucket Boss Bucketeer is one of the smartest tool storage upgrades you can make. It's not flashy, but it absolutely delivers where it counts. Designed to fit any standard 5-gallon bucket, it gives you 30 accessible pockets, 22 around the outside and 8 more inside, plus 3 interior loops that handle hammers, pry bars, or a cordless drill without issue. What really stands out is how intuitive it feels. Tools stay upright, visible, and within arm's reach, and the bucket center remains open for bulky items or materials. The rugged poly ripstop fabric holds up well even after serious use, and the layout keeps things from shifting around when you move. You won't find zippers, rigid frames, or techie features here, but that's the point. For $20, it's an easy win for anyone who wants a rugged, portable setup that keeps everything right where it should be.